How to add a button in WordPress. Want to make your WordPress website more engaging? Buttons are a fantastic way to guide your visitor to important action, like reading another post, visiting your shop, or contacting you. So let's dive right into how to add buttons in WordPress. First of all, navigate to WordPress dashboard. This is how the WordPress dashboard look like. And once you're in the dashboard, you can see a lot of options on your left hand side. From this menu, go to pages, which is over here. Tap on it. Now find the page where you want to add a button. For example, I want to add a button to my home. Tap on it. So this is how my home page look like. Now you can see a plus button at the top left corner. Over here, tap on it. And here in the search bar, type button, which is here. Tap on it. You can see a lot of work buttons over here too. You can add one of them too. And if you want to customize, simply tap on it. For example, I want to tap on learn more about. You can also add a parent button over here. If you add on it, you can add another button too. For example, about writer maybe. Writer. Then you can also edit a button from here. So if you tap on it, you can choose either you want to fill it or you can just want to keep the outline. So this is only with the outline and this is the filled one. You can drag it and place it wherever you want. Like if you want to drag it and place it, you can drag it like that. And you can align it. You can also change the item justification like this. Like if you want to keep it in the center. And you can also change the vertical alignment. And here you can align the text. Either you want it to be in the middle or in the left like this. An important part, here's a link. Simply tap on it, then add the link where it will be directed to. For example, this is about writer, so I want it to be directed to about writer section. Let's copy the about section first. Let's get this URL over here. Then tap on add, and we have successfully added this one. Let's tap on save. Let's go to the view page. So you can see it over here. Let's tap on it. And now you are taken to the page which we earlier entered URL of. And that's the quickest way to add the button. Adding buttons in WordPress is really that simple. Now you can direct the visitor exactly where you want them to go and make your website even more effective. Go ahead and give it a try and add some buttons to your WordPress site today. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.